Hello, party people. Here's what I am doing on a Saturday. I just thought I would share. I went to the Goodwill and got this old stamp set from, I can only assume, is like the 80s. Look at the markings on this bad boy. Does it say? Berkeley, California. It says Berkeley, California. But no date. I thought I would have a date down here. Mosh Impressions, made in the USA. Lottie Dottie. Anyways, I got this guy. Stamp Scene. 26 mix and match stamps for creating different scenes. I was in the Goodwill. Reminded me of Jefferson on his Bob Ross doings. I paid $6.99. Which is a little high, I gotta say. But anyway, here we are. So they come like this, and I cut these stickers out. I put the stickers on the back so I can know what I'm doing. And the thing is like, my grandma and me, we had a set like this, I feel, years ago. And it was like, see how many different kind of things you can make with your stamp set. So anyways, nostalgia. And then these came in the mail, so I'm super excited to use these today. This is my new washi tape set. This one is, let's see if I can get it open with one hand. It's so good, you guys. Look at this. Maybe I can do it. Maybe. I just used my teeth. There we go. No judgment from the back, please. So check this out. These are all one roll. I'm super excited for my bead doings. You know how I like to do that. So these are huge tapes. This is a huge tape as well. It's very pretty. Really very much me. Very much my kind of like vintagey, floral, gardeny aesthetic type that I like to believe that I am. I don't know that I really am this, but like words printed over butterflies, that seems like me. Cursive writing over butterflies, what is all this? So then they get smaller, words just everywhere, receipts, like that seems to be right up my alley. So anywho, this is what I'm doing on a Saturday in lieu of doing my Barden bead box videos. So I'm going to make some cards. I recently rearranged some of my studio area. So this is like my Randy's in a mood to make some cards and do some paper stuff. It's like, it literally says fast scrapbooking kit. Because this is a thing that I do. I do fast scrapbooking. This is all my like things I have to scrap. This is not, let me be clear. This is like a fraction of the stuff. The rest of it's in the closet. This is just like, I might be in a mood, emergency, got to keep this out kind of thing. And the reason I get into these moods is because, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I make these books. They're just Trapper Keepers. And this is not like scrapbooking, but this is how I keep my items that you guys all send me. So if you ever send me like a letter or a gift or a card, I put it into here so I can then look at it. These are from Karen and Nancy, so that I can see stuff. I can like be like, oh yeah, I remember that, or whatever, you know, like just keeping my memories organized. This was my first package from Canada, from Cindy Z Drill. It's the first package I ever got from Canada. So yeah, I'm flipping. I might just be giving away addresses, I don't know. So yeah, different stuff in here. These I got from Amber. They're all pressed flowers. Jefferson made me these paper dinosaurs cut out of a cereal box one day because I was not really being super happy, which is, you know, totally Jefferson. Oh my gosh, that's my mom and dad in our old house, my grandma's old house. So she painted on the wall. She painted a big mural on the wall on their wedding day. My mom. Mama Thunderhorse is probably just gonna cringe up about that one. This is me and Jefferson. This is the White Stripes. Like, we just listened when we met. We just like listened and listened and listened to the White Stripes. It was insanity. Yeah. So anyhow, this is like emergency scrapbooking. So I will insert a, sorry, I'm trying to get up. I will insert a clip of whatever I happen to get accomplished today, but I just thought I would share with you some kind of video because it's a thing. Videos need to go on the internet. But oh, I forgot to mention that I am going to try a couple of different techniques here. So I have my archival ink. So these are not like special inks or anything. These are the inks that me and Shannon use to stamp all your cards and everything. I recently got this one for Shannon because she's stuck on one stamp, and I was like, well, if we're gonna use one stamp, let's make it a different color. I don't know if she does, but and it was on sale at Hobby Lobby. So I like to use those, and then also I'm breaking out the color bank. So this is a watercolor painting set. I actually really enjoy watercolor painting, and it's nothing like special. You can, we ordered this on Amazon, I think, like a long time ago, and I don't know how this is gonna go, but I want to color in my stamping. What was I doing here? Something. I want to color in my stamping doings. These also came with the set, which are really nice brushes. I want to color in my stuff and see. Oh, I must have been going to make keychain. And see. Did I use watercolor paper? That's debatable. I don't know if I want to do that. Anyway, you pick this up on Amazon. It's not expensive. I think it's like $19 or something. Anyways, this, you guys know, if you've been around this channel any amount of time, this is how I keep basically everything. This, I will show you what's in here, but just as an example, like, here's more of these. These are all my beading projects. These are my boxes of shame. As you can see, they've been designed. They just need work. There's two of them. And I keep one upstairs for my wire, and I got more over there with chain in it. Like, I highly recommend using these, especially if you're a person who does a lot of different crafts and you're like, hey, how am I going to keep all this stuff straight? So just as an example, this is how I keep, this is the box of scrapping stuff that I use for my junk journaling. Different from emergency fast stuff and different from actual scrapbooking stuff. I'm a crazy person. We've established that. Let's move on. Here's stickers. So obviously these are just like more of my junk journal aesthetic stickers. We do sell these on the website too, by the way. I think there's still sticker packs in the gift area because I love stationery. Have you guys got that? These are just different add-in packs of stuff. And so what I do, if you're like, what is the purpose here? What I do is excuse me, this is my new bead journal, bead book, whatever you want to call it. And you may not have seen some of my older ones, but this is a larger one. My mom got this for me when I was in Arizona. And so what I do is I make my bead designs in here. Well, that's our top secret Christmas doings. So make my bead designs in here. Let's get to maybe, well, like here's some semi-relevant ones. And I make my designs. You guys see me make these on the planning videos. I draw them out. Then I make them. And then I take a picture. I put that in there. I recently got this little quote thing at the thrift store the other day. So you can like write the name of it. It's like a stamp. So anyways, now I'm going to decorate these with all of this stuff. That's what's happening here. If you're like, what is happening? That's what is happening. So it's kind of fun. I've taken my bead journal and I have also combined it with my wanting to do junk journaling and stamping and scrapbooking and just like whatever other thing you want to throw in there. That's what I'm doing right now. Let's get on into it. Alright guys, here we are. Here's my first one that I created. Pretty cool. Got the mountains and the little water. Got some stickers. I used all my stamps and the watercolors, which was great. This is that one. Then I skipped ahead a few pages and I did this one. Full effect. This is when I started the Make-A-Wish by Softflex. This was for them. I just realized I wrote the wrong thing in here. But whatever. It's whatever. So I still got my drawing, my finished product. I'll just put a sticker over this and we'll change that. So yeah, there we go. And we're on to these ones here. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, make sure to leave me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, all the things. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.